In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add a dynamic slider to your Webflow project. Whether you're looking to showcase images, feature testimonials, or display any sort of rotating content, a slider is a versatile tool that can bring visual interest and engagement to your website. So let's dive into the process and make your website stand out with this interactive element. To get started, you'll want to open up your Webflow Designer and look for the Add Elements panel. This is your toolbox filled with various building blocks to bring your website to life. From this panel, locate the slider component and simply drag it onto your page. You'll notice that as soon as you drop the slider in place, Webflow automatically sets it up for you with a straightforward structure, usually comprised of at least 2 slides. This feature saves you some time and effort right from the beginning. With your slider in place, it's time to customize it with the content you want to showcase. Click on the first slide to select it. Now head back to the Add Elements panel where you'll find an image element. Drag this image element right onto your selected slide, but be careful here. Make sure you see the blue highlight, which indicates that the image is placed correctly inside the slide. This visual cue is crucial as it ensures that your content is correctly nested within the slider and will function seamlessly. Once your image is nestled into the first slide, you can choose exactly which image you'd like to display from your asset library. This is where your creativity can shine. Pick an image that resonates with your audience or aligns with your brand's aesthetic, ensuring it captures the attention of your viewers. Now you're only halfway there. Move over to the Navigator panel, which will help you easily navigate and manage the different elements on your page. Use this panel to select each subsequent slide one by one. On each slide, replicate the process you just completed. Drag an image element onto the slide and select the desired image from your asset library. This repetition ensures consistency across your slider, helping maintain a polished and professional look. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully added and customized a slider for your Webflow project. As a bonus tip, don't forget you can style each image or slide element to further enhance the visual appeal. Play around with borders, shadows, or overlays to make sure each slide is visually distinctive yet cohesive. Thank you for joining me today as we walked through adding a slider in Webflow. I hope you feel more confident in using this versatile feature. As always, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment and let your creativity lead the way. Happy designing!